Hello, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube. I am Clementine, and as always, I'm Super Saiyan. But never mind that. And this is one 1993 Lotus Strat copy that has wire mods that allow 17 different pickup combinations. And this is an Arturia microbrute synthesizer. And this is an RGB LED fiber optic lamp that was begging to be ripped open and circuit bent. And this is a 1967 General Electric Portify. And it's been converted into a mean little tube amp with a DIY reverb unit. So what does all this have to do with the price of dick rubbers in Istanbul? Absolutely nothing. But today we're going to do an audio experiment. We're going to daisy chain all these crazy devices together and see what kind of insane, weird, usable, or unpleasant guitar sounds we can get from it. If this sounds like something you might be interested in, stay tuned! And
roll that beautiful bean footage.
Hit the middle ATC.
Here's an Arturia microbrute, and the good thing about this is we can control the filter here. What makes the microbrute so good for this is the way that the filter works. Okay, we have this brute factor knob. So though we have a high pass, band pass, and low pass filters, we have this knob here. It's not a It's like you have looped the filter back in on itself, and you can get some real grimy fuzz or 8-bit type notes. Okay, so we have a filter. But listen to this when we add the brute factor. It's going to be even crazier when it's being controlled by this stuff right here.
let's discuss the circuit bending of this lamp.
You can see I've connected a couple wires to the back. I would just simply lick my fingers and place them on here and see different results happen with these LEDs. I have one running the clock speed and another one shorting out the logic chip or grounding out the logic chip. And let's switch this on. Now, you see we have simple normal operation. Well, I can clock it up. Let's clock it up fast. Now this will change the pattern. Causing it to be more like a calculator. After messing with it a good bit, I figured out that it's pretty much adding. Here's one pattern. Then I turn this switch to get this pattern. Turn it again, then you get this kind of a pattern. Back up. Almost like a random generator. So I added two outputs here coming from the back of the LED power, and I have these 1K pots that you can control the intensity. Check out this wacky signal path. Out of the Strat, up this wire, into the synth, and through the filter, which is controlled by this wacky pile of junk wires here, then back out, down the cord again, around this, then goes up to this head unit right here, then out of it, through the effects loop, into this DIY reverb, and then back out into this tube amp, then from the tube amp speaker into this microphone, then it goes up this wire into the interface, and then into the channel 1 of the computer. Let's turn around here where y'all can see me.
Well, that just about does it for this video. If you found this entertaining or educational in any way, please like and subscribe. If you would like to learn more about the Strat wiring mods or guitar tube amp conversion seen in this video, there are links in the description box below. All the background music in this video was made with this Harmony 3/4 size guitar and these cans. Till next time!